If you want your TV wall to look luxe in an afternoon, start by darkening the backdrop 1 or 2 shades beyond your room's palette. That quick shift makes screens recede and decor pop, like theater lighting at home. Add a simple centerline rule. Treat the TV as an anchor, not the star. Surround it with texture, slatted wood, limewash or grass cloth, to frame the view, create depth, and instantly elevate rental walls without heavy construction or cost. Welcome to Decor Like Dream, where smart design meets easy upgrades. Today we're exploring TV accent wall ideas that flow with any room. Think balance first. Pair strong vertical elements with a low, streamlined console to ground the scene. Hide cables using paint-matched raceways. Then layer symmetry with 2 slender sconces or plants for calm. Keep negative space around the screen. Breathing room is chic design's secret weapon and helps small spaces feel intentionally styled rather than crowded. Color sets the mood, so choose a scheme that supports how you live. Cozy nights love charcoals, espresso browns, and midnight blues. Bright mornings lean into sage, clay, and warm sand. For a curated look, repeat one accent color 3 times. On cushions, art frames, and a vase near the wall. Metallics should whisper, not shout. Brushed brass or blackened steel hardware can echo the media unit's finish, tying everything together without competing with the picture. Texture is your shortcut to dimension. Try narrow wood slats spaced evenly for rhythm, or create a micro-cement panel for that gallery finish. If budget is tight, install peel and stick panels in a herringbone layout. Precision spacing makes them feel custom. Float a shallow shelf below the screen to display a tight edit of objects. Think 5 pieces max, vary height and material so the eye travels, and keep remotes corralled in a small tray for polish. Seasonal updates keep your accent wall feeling fresh. In autumn, switch to nubby throws, amber glass and terracotta accents. Winter loves velvet cushions, matte black candlesticks and soft, low lighting. Spring invites eucalyptus, linen textures and chalky pastels, while summer thrives on rattan, crisp whites and sea glass greens. Swap art prints in slim frames and rotate greenery to match the moment. The foundation stays steady. Accessories do the heavy lifting so style evolves without repainting. Before we wrap, remember the guiding principles: balance, restraint, and repeatable moments. Curate, then edit again. A tranquil TV wall invites relaxation and makes content shine. I'd love to hear which idea you'll try first: paint, slats, or lighting, so drop your plan in the comments. If this inspired you, join our community at Decor Like Dream, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more stylish, budget-friendly transformations.